Welcome to Psych Daily 101. In this video, you'll learn the psychology of self-control and why most people fail to master it.
Self-control is not about willpower. It is about understanding how your brain works. Most people fail not because they are weak, but because they are fighting their own psychology. Your brain is designed to seek comfort. Immediate pleasure feels safe. Discomfort feels dangerous. So when discipline appears, the brain resists. Self-control collapses when attention is scattered. Every notification drains focus. The brain cannot resist what it constantly sees. People who succeed do not rely on motivation. They rely on identity. They act in alignment with who they believe they are. The brain can be trained. When rewards are delayed, self-control strengthens. Discipline grows through patience. Self-control is not force. It is alignment. When your environment, identity, and focus work together, discipline becomes natural.
Now think about this. If self-control is a skill, not a talent, what would change in your life if you trained it daily? If this video helped you think differently, like the video, subscribe to Psych Daily 101, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next psychological